Dressed, they should not feel sorry for him.
Salamat din sa mga naawa sa akin. Ngunit hinihiling ko sa inyo, huwag niyo akong kaawaan. In spite of my abrupt removal as Chief of the Philippine National Police, okay po ako.
Tory reiterated he holds no ill feelings against the president.
Wala akong sama ng loob sa ating Pangulo. Nauunawaan ko na kailangan niyang gumawa ng mga mabibigat na desisyon. At ang pagkaalis ko bilang Chief of the Philippine National Police ay isa lamang sa mga ito. Pulis pa rin naman ako, and I serve and I still continue to serve at the pleasure of the President and of our country.
Acting PNP Chief Nartares on Friday led his first command conference attended by 18 regional directors and other senior PNP officials at Camp Crame.
The morale of the PNP is high as according to their feedback, and I have laid down my the